Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing, for example, the middle button right here. Once you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called time and date and tap on it to select it. And here we have time, date format, and first day of the week. First let's tap on time. Of course, if you want to change the time, then select the time format. We have 12 hours or 24 hours. And finally, you will be able to set the time. And to do it, swipe up and down on hours and minutes. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark or press the middle button to confirm. And the time will be changed. Next we have the date. Tap on date, swipe on days, months, and years. And then of course tap on the check mark to confirm. Then we have date format. Here you can select the format of the date, and we have different types. So select the one you like. And finally the first day of the week, and you can select Monday, Saturday and Sunday. Select the one you like. And once you're done setting up your time and date settings, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching, or time and date. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.